Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, I'm going to be explaining conjunction. But before explaining conjunction, I want to talk about, the English grammar in general for a few minutes. So when it comes to grammar, altogether there are 6 to 7 important points. Parts of speech, tenses, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, gerund and infinitive, clauses. Everywhere in the world, when they teach you grammar, they'll be teaching you these specific points. But these points are divided into different levels: basic level, intermediate, advanced. And there could be even lower intermediate and higher intermediate and then advanced. So I say basic grammar conjunction, if it's just the introduction of parts of speech, I'd better call it like basic grammar. But for example, if we talk about the different types of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So of course, subordinating conjunctions are used in adverb clauses, and that is a part of the advanced grammar. So each part, even parts of speech, or for example, those other points could be divided into 3 different levels. So basic version of a grammatical point, and then the intermediate, level of a grammatical point, and then the advanced, level of a grammatical point. I hope you got the point. So now a conjunction is just the introduction of conjunction, and later on, inshallah, in a separate video, I'll explain all the types, the 3 types of conjunctions: correlative, coordinating, and subordinating conjunctions. But here is just the introduction and the explanation of conjunction itself, what a conjunction is and how it functions in sentences, and what the purpose of using conjunctions in our sentences is. So the very simple definition of conjunction would be, again, it is a word or a group of words which is used to combine words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Again, it is a word or a group of words which is used to combine words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. When you say words, you may combine 2 nouns using a conjunction: Jamal and Kamal, Tom and Mike went to school yesterday. You may combine 2 adjectives. He is very smart and intelligent. So smart and 2 adjectives. You may combine 2 pronouns. He and she came over here yesterday. So he and she, 2 pronouns. You may combine 2 adverbs. He works honestly and enthusiastically. See, honestly and enthusiastically, 2 adverbs. So yeah, when we talk about words, some grammarians say like combining items. So, or words, or phrases. So those words could be nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, for example, and adverbs. So now I want you to look at these examples and see the functions of pronouns in these sentences. In example number 1, the pronoun "and" is used to combine 2 nouns. So Tom is a noun and Mike is a noun. Tom and Mike are very smart boys. Okay, so in this sentence, we use the conjunction "and" in order to combine these 2 nouns. He is watching TV and drinking some coffee. So, watching TV and drinking some tea. Here we have a verb phrase, watching TV. It is a phrase. What kind of phrase? A verb phrase. And drinking some coffee, there we have another phrase, verb phrase. The conjunction and is used in order to combine the two phrases. So as I said in its definition, that it is a word or a group of words which is used to combine words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. So in sentence number 1, we use the conjunction and to combine two nouns, but in sentence number 2, we use the conjunction and to combine two verb phrases. And now look at sentence number 3. He would buy a car if he had a lot of money. So here we have the subordinating conjunction if. And he would buy a car if he had a lot of money. So we're combining two clauses. So, he would buy a car. The clause which starts with the subject is an independent clause, or it is a main clause. And the clause here which starts with the conjunction itself, so is a dependent or subordinate clause. Okay, so we're combining two clauses, an independent clause with a dependent clause. And finally, he was very sick, so he went to a hospital. We have the conjunction so over here, and we have a simple sentence before the conjunction. He was very sick. You may just add a sort of time expression. He was sick yesterday. He was very sick yesterday. He was very sick, last week, okay? So that is a simple sentence. He went to a hospital yesterday. He went to a hospital, this morning. That's another simple sentence. And we use the conjunction so over here in order to combine these two simple sentences, okay? So you may call them like independent clauses as a part of the compound sentence, sorry. But here it's a complex sentence and we have one independent clause and one dependent clause. But in this sentence, we have two independent clauses. You can just say, two simple sentences, okay? Fanboys conjunctions can be used to combine two simple sentences into compound sentences. So a complex sentence, a compound sentence. And as I said, that it's a word or a group of words. So in all of these examples, we were using a one-word conjunction and one word, if, okay, so. But it could be a group of words, like in case that, in the event that. These two are also conjunctions. There are more, okay? But we can use them as conjunctions in order to combine two clauses in complex sentences. Okay, in case that you have any problems, you can call me. You can call me in case that you face any problems or that you have any problems. So again, okay, you can call me. It's your independent clause in case that you have a problem or in case that you face a problem. That's your dependent clause or subordinate clause. And of course, that is a complex sentence. So in the event that you are running short of money. In the event that you are running short of money, you may get some loan from a bank, okay? In the event that your business is running short of money, you may apply for a loan, okay? You may get a loan from a bank. Okay, so in the event that 1, 2, 3, 4, in the event that. So this is a 4-word conjunction. So now our definition is correct. A simple definition, okay? A conjunction is a word or a group of words which is used to combine words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. And everything was explained over here. And I hope that you will keep watching this series of parts of speech, because we'll be recording all parts of speech, the introduction, and then the types of each part of speech, and explanation, and the functions and usages. This much is enough about conjunction. If you've got any questions related to this today's topic, you may post your questions in the comment, and have a great time. See you later. Bye-bye.